You know, you see, Wontumi studied theology. So all the things that you do, I disagree that he doesn't know his left from right. He knows everything. He knows he has committed an offense. And he remembers Matthew 5:25. That settle your adversary, someone that wants to harm you, whilst you are on your way to court. Else he will hand you to the judge, and the judge will hand you to the officer, and you'll be thrown to jail. That is all to it with this plea bargain.
So it's
because absolutely, you see, he cannot get away. I saw a documentary, in fact, a TV program where Wontumi was being interviewed on UTV. That was somewhere 2022 or thereabout, where he was standing in the middle of a supposed farm, which he claimed he used the monies he borrowed from at the Exim
Bank
to do that. Now you can get anybody from the Exim Bank to look at, because it was a project finance. Look at the proposal he proposed to the bank before he lured them into giving the money. He had estimated that he was going to engage more than 1,000 youth into employment. He was going to employ people. So by that, they gave him 14 million plus. Is that not the case?
Yes.
Now you are talking about if you were to jail him, he would have denied people who are in employment. What about those that he took money that he was going to employ? You understand? We are talking about opportunity cost
and trade-offs.
So please let the laws work. Nobody is above the law. In fact, if you were living in a serious country with a serious president, then that is President Kufuor, he should have been the first person to start the prosecution, because his own Minister of Lands and Natural Resources wrote in terms of this Samrabo case that they had never granted Wontumi the license to enter into the Tano Nimre forest and so on and so forth. And all of us has been speaking against Galamsey. And always we deal with that. We go for the small fishes. If now a government is going after a bigger fish, you must be the one to be encouraging the government and even the judge. Here, nobody is saying that if he's wrong, the judge must say he's wrong. But if he's not wrong, the judge must say he's wrong. But if he's wrong, under no circumstance must the judge say otherwise. Why? Then what sort of country are we building? Look, this Apia Kubi thing is all games, it's gimmicks. Just to delay process, just to create the impression, and it's a psychological warfare. Listen to Apia Kubi, go and watch You Wontumi, and listen to the MPP fanatics. All they are saying is that they are trying to put the judge in a very tight corner. I heard Maurice Ampao, the way and manner he spoke about the judge, I couldn't believe it. You understand? You hear people saying that, oh, because Ibrahim Mahama was working with the Chief Justice, definitely Wontumi will have problem. How can we draw such conclusions?